Working on a story for Ajax. So first, when the user type in something over here, we'll get the input field. So click here and inspect. Realize that it has an ID of test input. So copy it from here. Over here will be let test to be equal to then ampersand and paste it here. Then dot value then dot string. So if it's empty, then meaning that the user rather posted what an image instead of a text. So this one be and text is equal to now. Here will be s. So over here will be console.log s. So if this one is false, mean that the user rather posted what a text instead of what an image. So empty the cache. Click here, type in something over here. Then click this one. Let's go and check our console. Okay, so meaning our logic has worked. Okay, so now click here and click on config for Apache. Click on config. Then click on this one, php.inif. So click on it and find GD. Then click on find it. So you need to click Control F. Then over here, click on find it. Then over here, remove the comment from here. Then save it. Click on find again. Okay. Then click on find again. Okay. So that's all. So now click on this one and click on this one again. Okay. So now we have the input. So we send the Ajax. But first, we need to check and see whether the background too is not empty. So that will be if background is not now. Then over will be dot post. Okay. So remove this one even from here. We'll use this one. Then paste this one here. Then let's use the other one. Then this one over here, copy this URL from here. Then over here, just paste it here. Okay. So over here will be test story. Then our data over here will contain the user ID, which is this one. This one is our user ID. Then also we have the story test. The story test is this one. Then we also have the background, which is the background. Then we have the font. Okay. Then success, then this one be function, then data. Okay. So now copy this one from here. And paste it here. And also copy this one from here. Then over here, paste it here. Now let's go to status.php. Copy everything from here. Then over here, just paste it here. So remove this one from here. We don't need it. So now we have $test to be equal to red wrap Then this one be dollar underscore post. Then this one be story s. Then this one be comma 26 comma. Then this one be slash n, then comma true. Then we have dollar background to be dollar underscore post. Then this one be background, then semicolon. Then dollar font underscore name to be equal to dollar underscore post. Then this one be font. Then this one be dollar count lines to be strip length. Then this one be dollar text and divided by 26. Then we semicolon. Okay. So now this is what we have. Then also we have here dollar image to be image create from JPEG. Then this one be dollar background. Then we semicolon. Okay, this is what we have. And dollar color to be image color. Then this one be dollar image img. Then this one be 255 comma 255 comma 255. Then this one be semicolon. Okay.